Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to present the advantages and disadvantages of me as a measure of central tendencies. Other measures of central tendency have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. But in this tutorial, we are going to talk more about the advantages and the drawback in me. The first advantage of me is that it is more stable than any other averages. And why the second advantage is it uses every value in the distribution. The third, it can be used for further mathematical processes. That is, we can use it to calculate variance, z-score, t-distribution, and so on like that. The mean itself has a wider application and wider usage in the field of statistics. And the next advantage of mean, it can be used in mean deviation, standard deviation calculation. So like I said earlier on, it can be used to calculate variance, the z-score, and the t-distribution. More so, it is based on a simple formula. As you can see below, the calculation of mean for ungroup data, we have x bar is equal to summation x all over n. While the calculation for mean for the group data, we have s bar equals to summation f of x all over summation f. With this formula, anybody can easily grab this formula because it's very simple formula. Let's now proceed to the disadvantages of mean. The first disadvantage of mean is that it is easily affected by the extreme value, e.g. outlier. What is outlier? The number or the value that shows significant difference from the rest value. Consider this value 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's assume that these are the ages of children in a particular class. So among them, we have a child of 7 years old. This age we call suspicious among these children because their age is expected to be between 1 to 2. Seeing another child of this age is too extreme because the disparity between the ages 2 and 7 is very high. Likewise, y and 7 is very high. So an inspection is needed to be conducted on why this child is among these children. That is one of the disadvantages of mean. Then the next disadvantage is result in an impossible figure when the data is discrete. What is discrete data? The data that assume no decimal point. A whole number can be regarded as a discrete data. For example, we want to know the number of cars that park in the company parking lot from Monday to Friday. Each day, 10 to 15 cars were recorded. At the end of the week, the person in charge of statistics and research department was asked to calculate the average car that they can be expecting in the subsequent month. After the calculation, it's just an assumed figure. He got 1.7 car. It's not possible to have 1.7 car regardless of the status of the car. If the car is without engine, you still count it as a whole car, or even if the car is without tires, you still count it as a car, because there is not possible to have 1.7 of a car. You either round this figure up to 1 or you round it off. You either round it up to 2 or you round this off to 1. So when you are presenting your report, you cannot say that on the average we are having 1.7 car each day parking at the car parking lot. You either round it to 2 or you round it off to 1. If you find the content of this video educative, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell to be the first person to be notified whenever I release a new tutorial, and share the content of this video to reach a wider audience across the globe. Don't forget to like my video and put comment in the comment section so that you can easily tell me the area where I need to treat in statistics or area of improvement. Thank you very much for listening to my tutorial. Bye.